So let's say you had a great day in MyFitnessPal, a great day of food, and you wanted to do the exact same thing on another day and plan that out. You go on an iPhone in the upper left corner, click Edit, then click Select All, and all of your food choices should have a check mark next to it. And then at the bottom, it says iMessage, copy, or save meal. I'm going to choose copy and choose the day that I want to do it again. Let's say you have like leftovers of the same food and you wanted to do it tomorrow. It's already set for same meal tomorrow. And push the check mark. And now it's copied to the next day. If you just wanted to copy a meal only, let's say you wanted to copy lunch. I had cheese, a cookie, and some protein chips. Woohoo! Let's say I wanted to do the same thing for tomorrow's lunch. Looking at lunch, click the three dots, then save as meal or copy to date. So if you save it as a meal and name it whatever, you can go to the next day and add it in. I'm going to try copy to date and choose lunch on Friday. Click the check mark and we're done.